Hmm. So when I went out for a ride and to call few press channel people, who cares what they defamed me? Because when I came at my door, I saw empty cart at my door. That means production took my data and distributed the money among the prostitutes which are living over here. Is that they want to prove? By putting false accusations, surveillances, by false that stuff. The time is wrong, the time is incorrect in the surveillance itself. And with what phone? Stolen phone. And what phone? That uh, damaged phone, dead phone. You cannot do anything. You cannot, what do you call it? That defamation is out there. I go into their prostitution racket. Prostitutes are using dead phones and stolen phones. And those are doing the bank transaction, making nudes, and are in the, what do you call it? All are in the bank transaction. It's not my mess. It's not my mess at all. Data is viral. Data is viral. Everyone is going to come after me. I put them out in the front. I caught them red-handed. They are caught red-handed in the public surveillance with that phone, stolen phone. They are caught red-handed with that phone in road surveillance while they came after me in their prostitution racket. Getting this right? They are caught red-handed. I pulled them out and I dropped every surveillance from my house. What do you call it? Outside my house, what was happening? And I also pulled them out. They came after me and they are caught in the road surveillance. Red hand with that phone, which makes nudes, it does bank transaction, and lot more other stuff. So that empty cart means production distributed all my money to prostitutes. It's a good thing then. It's a good thing production is showing this. It's a wonderful thing. It's a good thing production is showing this. Because the prostitutes who are living over here must be providing false surveillances. They stole my t-shirt and they do stuff whatever they got to do. Rape accusations are there. You believe this shit? So, what I got to do? So the one who provided that surveillance must be having that, still today must be having that file. Right, the day the t-shirt was stolen. He can lock that file immediately. He can lock that file immediately because that file forensics will show when I went and when I. He can lock that file. Elevator, if they got to show me, then it will be the elevator I went, right? Wearing that t-shirt. So they have to show that. And they also have to show that I what do you call it? I stopped in between, which it will not show. Right? They will only show the elevator with the false time. They can still lock that file. If this is the defamation, I got everything covered up, I got everything backed up. It's only a fucking defamation. And they are not providing the file of the surveillance to the press reporter. That's it. They'll ask the file, send the file. So if this is the defamation, and if this is not, who cares? They should allow me to give the copyrights to the entire country. Or you want that prostitute should have those that money, who run bank fraud, who do bank fraud, extortion, or they are forcing me to kill someone. Is that so?